Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever walked into a restaurant and wondered what to say in English? Do you feel nervous when it's time to order food or ask for a bill? Then don't worry, in today's video, I will teach you everything you need to know about speaking English in restaurant. By the end of this video, you will know how to enter a restaurant confidently, talk to the waiter politely, order food and drinks, ask questions about the menu, request extra item, pay the bill and leave the restaurant politely. This lesson is perfect for beginners and anyone who wants to improve their spoken English. So stay with me until the end, repeat the sentences aloud and practice every day. Now let's get started. Imagine that you are standing outside a beautiful restaurant. You open the door and walk inside. The receptionist smiles at you.
Good evening. Welcome to the Golden Spoon restaurant.
Good evening.
How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't.
No problem at all. We still have a few tables available. How many people will be dining today?
Just one, please.
Certainly. Would you prefer a table by the window, near the garden, or somewhere quiet?
I'd like a window seat, please.
Let me check. I'm sorry. All the window tables are occupied at the moment. However, I have a comfortable table in the corner. It's nice and quiet.
That sounds perfect.
Wonderful. Please follow me.
Thank you.
Here we are. This is your table. Please have a seat.
Thank you very much.
Here's your menu. Please take your time. Your waiter will be with you shortly.
Thank you. I'll take a look at the menu.
Enjoy your evening.
Thank you very much.
Extra useful sentences. Receptionist. Welcome to our restaurant. It's a pleasure to have you here. Please come this way. I'll take you to your table. Is this table comfortable for you? Would you like to change your seat? Please let me know if you need anything.
Customer. I'd like a quieter table. Could I have a table by the window? Is there any table available upstairs? This table is perfect. Thank you for your help. I appreciate your kindness. I'll wait for the waiter.
Good evening. My name is Daniel, and I'll be your waiter today.
Good evening, Daniel. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I hope you're having a wonderful evening.
Yes, thank you.
May I offer you something to drink while you look at the menu?
Yes, please. Could I have a glass of still water first?
Certainly. Would you like ice with that?
Yes, please.
I'll bring it right away. Here you are.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Take your time with the menu. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to help.
Actually, this is my first time here. Could you recommend something popular?
Of course. Our grilled chicken steak is one of our best-selling dishes. Our creamy mushroom pasta is also very popular. If you enjoy spicy food, I highly recommend our spicy chicken burger.
Everything sounds delicious. What's your personal favorite?
I really like the grilled salmon with mashed potatoes. It's fresh, flavorful, and one of our chef's specialties.
That sounds great. Is it very spicy?
Not at all. It's lightly seasoned, but if you'd like, our chef can make it a little spicier.
That's good to know. What comes with the grilled salmon?
It comes with mashed potatoes, steamed vegetables, and a lemon butter sauce.
Wonderful. Do you have any vegetarian dishes?
Yes, we do. We have vegetable pasta, grilled vegetables, mushroom risotto, and a fresh garden salad.
That's nice. Do you also have vegan options?
Yes. Several of our vegetarian dishes can be prepared as vegan upon request.
Excellent. Are there any dishes that contain nuts?
Yes. Some of our desserts and salads contain nuts. If you have any food allergies, please let me know.
Fortunately, I don't have any allergies.
That's great. Would you like to start with an appetizer?
What do you recommend?
Our garlic bread and crispy chicken wings are customer favorites.
I'll have the garlic bread, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like anything else before you're ready to order your main course?
No, thank you. I'd like a few more minutes to decide.
Of course. Take your time. I'll come back in a few minutes.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Excuse me. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think I am.
Wonderful. What would you like to have today?
I'd like the grilled salmon, please.
Excellent choice. How would you like it cooked?
Medium, please.
Certainly. Would you like any side dishes with that?
What are my options?
You can choose French fries, mashed potatoes, steamed vegetables, or rice.
I'll have mashed potatoes and steamed vegetables.
Perfect. Would you like any soup or salad before your main course?
Yes, I'd like a bowl of tomato soup.
Great choice. Would you like some bread with the soup?
Yes, please.
Noted. Would you like to order a drink now?
Yes. I'd like a glass of fresh orange juice.
Small or large?
Large, please.
Certainly. Would you like any dessert after your meal, or would you prefer to decide later?
I'll decide later.
No problem. Do you have any special requests for your meal?
Yes, please. I'd like the food to be mildly spicy. Please don't add too much salt. And no onions, please.
Of course. Anything else?
Could you add a little extra cheese?
Certainly. Anything else?
That's all for now.
Let me repeat your order to make sure everything is correct. 1 grilled salmon, cooked medium. Mashed potatoes. Steamed vegetables. 1 bowl of tomato soup with bread. 1 large fresh orange juice. The food will be mildly spicy, with no onions, less salt, and extra cheese. Is that correct?
Yes, that's exactly right.
Perfect. Your food will be ready in about 20 minutes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Please enjoy your time, and let me know if you need anything.
I will. Thank you. Useful restaurant expressions. I'd like to order, please. What do you recommend? I'll have the grilled salmon. Could I have mashed potatoes instead of fries? Please make it mildly spicy. No onions, please. Less salt, please. Extra cheese, please. Could I change my side dish? I'd like a large orange juice. That's all for now. Could you repeat my order, please? Everything sounds delicious.
Excuse me. Here's your order. 1 grilled salmon with mashed potatoes and steamed vegetables. And a large fresh orange juice. Please be careful. The plate is hot.
Thank you very much. It looks delicious.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal. Excuse me. Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is excellent. The salmon is perfectly cooked.
I'm happy to hear that. Is there anything else I can get for you?
Yes, could I have some ketchup, please?
Certainly. Anything else?
Thank you.
I'll bring it right away. Here you are.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please let me know if you need anything else.
Everything has been wonderful.
It's our pleasure. Enjoy the rest of your meal. I hope you enjoyed your meal.
Absolutely. Everything was delicious.
I'm delighted to hear that. Would you like to have some dessert?
Yes, I'd love to. What do you recommend?
Our chocolate lava cake and vanilla ice cream are our most popular desserts.
That sounds wonderful. I'll have the chocolate lava cake, please.
Excellent choice. I'll bring it in a few minutes. Here's your chocolate lava cake. Enjoy.
Thank you. It looks amazing. Excuse me. Could I have the bill, please?
Certainly. I'll bring it right away. Here is your bill. Please take your time.
Thank you. Can I pay by card?
Of course. We accept both cash and card.
Great. I'll pay by card.
Here's your receipt. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your excellent service. The food was delicious, and everyone was very kind.
You're very welcome. We're glad you enjoyed your visit. We hope to see you again soon.
I'm sure I'll be back. Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you. Take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, and thank you for dining with us.
Congratulations! You just completed a real life English conversation at a restaurant. Now you know to enter a restaurant, talk to the staff, order food, pay the bill, ask for help, and leave politely. Remember, don't just watch this video. Repeat and practice every day. Okay? The more you speak, the more confident you become. If you found this video helpful, then please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friend. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.